Most people think wedding tables are just decorations. But what if I told you this is where your entire wedding experience is felt, remembered, and photographed the most? Before your guests remember the food, before they remember the music, they remember how your wedding felt. And that feeling comes from the details. Because the right centerpiece doesn't just decorate a table, it creates emotion. Today, I'm showing you 10 stunning wedding centerpiece ideas that instantly elevate your reception. From simple to unforgettable luxury. Clean, elegant, timeless. And the best part? I'll show you exactly how to recreate each one with simple items, step by step. Idea 1, floating candles. Floating candles, this is where luxury begins. The soft glow, the reflection on water, it instantly creates a romantic, high-end atmosphere. Why it elevates your wedding? It adds light, movement, and elegance without feeling heavy or crowded. How to create it? Simple. Just take clear cylinder vases, fill them with water, drop in a little greenery, and place a floating candle on top. What you need: cylinder vases, mix heights, floating candles, water, optional greenery. Wait until you see the next one. Idea 2, greenery runner. This look feels effortless, but it's incredibly powerful. It brings life to your table, soft, organic, and naturally beautiful. Why it elevates your wedding? It creates a full-style table without needing expensive florals everywhere. How to create it? Lay a greenery garland straight down the table, then add candles evenly along the runner. What you need: greenery garland, votive or tea light candles, optional white flowers. Trust me, this next one is a showstopper. Idea 3, gold stand centerpiece. This is for statement weddings. Tall gold stands instantly add height and make your entire room feel grand. Why it elevates your wedding? It draws the eye up, making your space feel bigger, fuller, and more luxurious. How to create it? Place a gold stand in the center and add a full floral arrangement on top. What you need: gold centerpiece stand, floral foam, flowers, plus greenery. But if you love romance, you're going to love this next one. Idea 4, all candles. No flowers yet, just candles. And somehow, it feels even more luxurious. Why it elevates your wedding? It creates warmth, intimacy, and a soft, romantic glow your guests will feel instantly. How to create it? Group candles together in different heights and spread them across the table. What you need: pillar candles, votives, glass holders. Now this next idea is simple, but so elegant. Idea 5, submerged flowers. A single rose, underwater, topped with light. Why it elevates your wedding? It's clean, minimal, and feels very upscale without trying too hard. How to create it? Place one flower inside a clear vase, fill with water, and add a floating candle on top. What you need: clear vase, single flower, water, floating candle. Now let's take it up a level. Idea 6, mirror base. Mirrors change everything. They double the glow. They reflect the light and instantly make your table feel more expensive. How to create it? Place a round mirror, then build your candles and florals right on top. What you need: mirror base, candles, small floral accents. This next one is perfect for soft, romantic weddings. Idea 7, low florals. Low floral centerpieces keep everything intimate. Why it elevates your wedding? It allows your guests to connect while still enjoying beauty on the table. How to create it? Use a small vase and create a soft, rounded arrangement. What you need: small vase, floral foam, flowers, plus greenery, But if you love modern style, this one is for you. Idea 8, single stem, 1 flower per vase. That's it. Why it elevates your wedding. It feels clean, modern, and very high-end with very little effort. How to create it. Place single stems in slim vases and space them evenly across the table. What you need. Bud vases, single stem flowers. Now this next one adds sparkle. Idea 9, glass plus crystal mix. This is where light becomes your design. Why it elevates your wedding? It reflects, sparkles, and creates that luxury glow all across your table. How to create it. Mix glass vases with crystal candle holders and layer them together. What you need. Glass vases, crystal holders, candles, and finally, the most timeless look of all. Idea 10, green plus white. Green and white will never go out of style. Why it elevates your wedding. It's fresh, clean, elegant, and works in any venue. How to create it. Mix white flowers with soft greenery and keep the arrangement light and natural. What you need. White flowers, roses, hydrangeas, greenery, vase. So now I want to ask you, which one would you choose for your wedding? Type the number in the comments. And if you want to recreate any of these looks, check the description box below. I've linked all the items you need. And if you love luxury wedding ideas like this, make sure you like this video. Subscribe for more, and share this with someone planning their wedding.